So commercial girding is when the girts are laying flat like this. The 1.5 inches is what you see this way. What's good about commercial girts, especially nowadays, is a lot of people are wanting to build barn-dominiums, or it's more than just the average pole barn shop nowadays. A lot of customers want to finish the inside. This gives you room to do batt insulation, plus you can finish the outside with our metal because everything's still 2 foot on center all the way up, and then it works for any type of finish inside as well. So sheetrock, OSB, whatever you want to put on the inside, everything is still 2 foot on center, so it's works on the outside and the inside.
Nice. Okay. If a customer was considering commercial girt, will it add cost to the build, or will it add more difficulty?
There is more framing in commercial girding. I mean, the 2 foot spacing is still the same amount as standard girding, but we have bottom base plates, so that would be considered like an extra girt. And then also up top, when you have they call it a Cali corner up there, so you'd have your top girt, and then you'd have another girt that was actually the face of the wall for any trim, your top of your wall screw line. So it does add a couple extra girts, as well as the blocking in between it, versus standard girding, which is just the girt on the outside of the poles. So there's no blocking necessary for that. It's just girding on the outside of the poles, which is standard girts.
Nice. Is standard girts pretty common in the pole barn industry?
Standard girts, it's still used quite a bit, but that's more for, if it's always going to be a shop or a garage, storage, something like that. Commercial girt is more barn-dominium style, or people wanting to finish it inside. Commercial girts is found a lot more often than not now. But yeah, standard girts is still a thing. So,
is there any strength differences between the two girt styles?
There's still, everything's still engineered. The nail patterns, the nail count, versus whether it's commercial girt or standard girt. So it's engineered for strength regardless. There's still always nail patterns, and this probably locks the posts in better, I would think, because everything's wedged now. But standard girding is still plenty strong. Yeah, so with these blocks, so the way that girts start, these blocks will always be shorter because our walls and our truss elevation actually starts from top of slab, which in a pole barn, the slab starts from the bottom of the skirt board and rises 4 to 6 inches. So this is actually the point where our 2 foot on center starts. So these blocks are shorter, and then the rest of these at 24-inch center girts, the blocks will be 22.5 inches.
Nice. Okay.